Welcome to this beginner-friendly video on how to draw faces. I'm going to show you step by step, nice and slowly, on how to draw this. We're going to start with a warm-up. We're going to draw some egg shapes, which is important. I'm going to show you where to place the ears, the nose and the mouth. We're going to keep it very simple. I'm going to just give you a little bit of detail on what the mouth shape should be and how to draw it. We're going to draw some very simple eyes from an oval shape, and this is the final result. I'm going to do all this with a blue pencil. You can use any type of blue pencil. I'll link this in the description if you want to purchase this one. Okay, so this is step one in the process. We're going to draw some upside down eggs. Now let's start. I'm going to start with a curve at the top. Some of you will find this difficult, but just need to practice. And then with little strokes coming down, we're going to form an egg shape. When you're doing this, make sure you're looking straight down and directly onto it, otherwise it could be at a squinty angle. Okay, so that's our egg. Next, we're going to look at the placement of the ears. Where do we put the ears? So we're going to cut the egg in half here, a very faint line. And then starting from this point, we're going to just draw a little flicky ear like this. At the same place on the other side, a little flicky ear like that. Now where it comes down, it must be at the same point here, because most people have the same size of ears on both sides of the head. Next, we're going to establish where the nose is. It's going to be in the middle. And we're going to do that just at the same height where the ears touch the side of the face. And we're just going to add a very faint mark, just like that. Very small, very faint. For the mouth, we can just approximately just put a nice faint line in the middle here, the middle of this space here. Okay, that's a very tricky part. Let's do it again. So we're going to draw an egg. Let's just start at the top here. Make sure that's nice and symmetrical. Your challenge is getting this symmetrical. Bringing it down. Little flicks like this, making sure you're looking at it straight down. I'm actually not, because I've got the camera in my face. Nice confident strokes like this. Then we're going to find the middle. Middle's about here. Now we know where to put the ears. I'm going to bring the ear up, coming down like this, like a little flick. Starting the ear here, coming down and finishing at the same place. Where this finishes, we're going to add the nose. Don't draw a nose shape, don't go for complexity, just draw a little mark. For the mouth, a wider little shade part like that. Okay, so let's practice the mouth now. The mouth is going to be very simple and easy. So we start with a little shaded line like this, and then later we're going to add some detail, and this is larger than we're going to do in the real drawing. It's just to let you see. So what we're going to do is we're going to just build the lip shape like this, and then shade it in. And then for the bottom lip, we're doing just something like this. Shade it in, and then we'll add a little bit of darkness here. That's how simple it is. Okay, let's do that again. Little basic shaded line. We're going to build a lip shape like this. Shade it in. Bottom lip. And add a darker part here in the middle. That's how simple the mouth is. So what we're going to practice now is the eyes. This is the most difficult part. So the eyes is going to be built from an oval shape, not a circle. Going to use a very faint oval shape. Then we're going to have a sweeping arc line like this. Lift up here and then come back down to where we started. And then we're going to add the pupil here. And you can make this different sizes as you wish. And then we're just going to add a little bit of a flick here just to show the top of the eyelid. And let's not touch the bottom at all. Okay, let's do that again. Oval shape. Very faint lines, oval shape. I'm going to start here and bring a curved line over like this. Come up and all the way back. And then add the pupil. And then a little bit of darkness here at the top of the eyelid. That's the eye we're going to do. Okay, so let's go through the full sequence here, step by step, nice and slowly. Okay, we're going to start with an egg shape. Let's start from the top like this. And I'm going to sweep down and build our egg shape. Making sure that we're looking straight down at it to make sure it's symmetrical. Your challenge is going to be, can I make it symmetrical? So you'll need to practice. Next up, we're going to find the middle of the egg. So the middle is about here. This tells us where we can put the ears. We're going to come up and then flick down like that. Same the other side. Need to make sure it's the same size the other side. Bringing it down. And this tells us now where we can put the nose. So we're going to put the nose here. Just a very faint nose. No details. And a very faint mouth for now. Now we can add the eyes. So we're going to take the left hand side of the nose, bring it up to halfway where the ear is. So it comes here. And we're going to draw an oval. Not a circle, an oval, leaving a gap here and starting at the width of the nose. So make sure your nose is small. We're going to do the same on the other side, another oval, and keep it nice and faint. Let's add the eyelash. So we're going to start here and bring a curve up, come up and back down to where we started, adding the pupil, and then add a little bit of a flick here. Let's do the same. Curve, come up, come back, add a little bit of darkness at the top, and add the pupil. You may notice that I don't add the pupil absolutely in the middle of the oval because it look a bit strange. So it's a little bit more towards the middle. Okay, now we can add the eyebrows. The eyebrows are quite a simple shape. We're going to imagine a line coming here and then doing a little sort of triangle like this and then coming down with a little flick. Do the same. Triangle and flick like that. Okay, what's next? Okay, let's add some detail, but very lightly and basic on the mouth. Little curve coming down. Now we have the top lip. Let's add the bottom lip. Very subtle. And a tiny bit of darkness in the middle. Keep it very basic. Remember, this is a beginner tutorial. Okay, next up, we're going to just carve the face out with some straight lines. So coming down, flicking down until where the mouth is, just flicking down gently, flicking down, going to build the chin, and then coming from here all the way to the bottom, but coming over this side, flicking down, and then curve the end. Now we have the shape of the jaw. You can use our eraser to make that less thick. Now we're ready to add a hairline. We're going to do a really basic hairline. Just bring it up like this. something like this, and then gently colour in. Now the shape of the hair, we're going to do this with straight lines. So we're going to do a straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line. Do it again here, all straight lines. Colour any gaps in. Now we're going to do some flicks like this. Try and do this random. Okay, now we're going to add the bun, all straight lines. Colour it in. Do some flicks like that. Now we have the hair. Okay, let's place the neck. So the neck, we're going to come down from the middle of the eye to here and then do a little curve. So the middle of the eye with a little curve. Same the other side, middle of the eye, and little curve. You can add a shadow if you want here. Now, let's add some shadows. So we're going to add a shadow at the top of the eye like this. Straight lines, very gentle, like this. Do the same here, all the way down. And if you want, you can add a little blush on the cheeks like that. So that's a very beginner-friendly way to draw a face. I hope it helps you, and I'll see you next time.